I'm telling you, for any of your really politically active progressive neighbors, for anybody who's walking around and still bragging about how they double masked and voted for Obama. Obama, but voted for Biden and then voted for the Biden Kamala Harris ticket. If you just make them, just correct them whenever you can, whenever they talk about the election, and insert unnecessarily that 2022 is the most secure election in our history, they will go insane. They will, because you were not allowed to talk about 2020 as far as Democrats are concerned without saying that.
Yep.
Remember, there was a whole effort on television, CNN,
right.
They'd say, well, it was the most secure election in our history. Let's see how they feel after this one, how secure it is, Clay, because there are going to be a whole lot of election deniers for Team Democrat, I think, in the next few days.
There's no doubt. And guess what? We got Christmas lights up on my house. Did you notice that, Buck, when you came by to visit? We already have the Christmas lights up.
Castle Clay has the Christmas lights. I did see some of the amazing Halloween decorations.
We haven't even gotten all the Halloween decorations down yet, but my wife had it set up so that we could have all of that up and running as well. It's Christmas light time. It's Christmas music probably starting up some places out there because it's moving close to Christmas season. You know what that means? Well, the excitement is getting out there, but also if you run a small business, man, you probably have a lot of shipping requests, and maybe you should go ahead and get in advance ahead of all the demand by going to stamps.com today and sign up for a holiday mailing and shipping with them. We've got signed up. I'm signed up. Buck's signed up. Stamps.com is your one-stop shop for all your shipping and mailing needs for more than 20 years. Stamps.com has been indispensable for over 1 million businesses. You can get access to USPS, UPS services you need to run your business right from your computer. No lines, no traffic, no hassle. You can even save money with major discounts, up to 86% off this holiday season. Trade late nights for silent nights. Get started with Stamps.com today. Sign up with the promo code using both of our names, Clay and Buck, for a special offer that includes a 4-week trial plus free postage and a free digital scale. No long-term commitments or contracts. Just go to Stamps.com, click the microphone at the top of the page, enter the code with both of our names, Clay and Buck.
The voices of sanity in an insane world. Clay Travis and Buck Sexton.
We have Mike on the line who says he was attacked by a tree in the mountains. Mike, what happened?
So it could have happened to anybody. I was just driving along the mountains and wham, a tree just came out and hit me. And that's when the insurance nightmare started.
Okay, well, it sounds like you're doing okay, and that's the important thing. But you mentioned insurance. Whenever we hear that word, it's usually expensive.
My insurance jacked it up to $400 a month. So that's when I went on the hunt for something cheaper.
Hopefully you got to AIS.
I heard your commercials before. AIS this, AIS that. Oh, that's it. And you hear the people talking about, oh, this is a real thing.
Yeah, we talk about AIS, the auto insurance specialist, because they're just good at insurance. So how much did you say?
So unbelievably great that I don't think people would believe it. So
we've been at this a long time, and we've had some great saving stories. Come on, Mike, tell us what it is.
I saved $250 a month when I switched to AIS.
Get to AISinsurance.com today and see how much savings is waiting for you.
1-800-777-4AIS.
Zip.